Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can empty the recycle bin or trash folder in your account on Microsoft Lists, for example, to remove items and lists permanently from your account at once without deleting them one by one. So this is how you can do it. So head over to Microsoft Lists and let me, for instance, remove that list here for the sake of this tutorial. Click into the given list, and then what you want to do is click into its title and choose delete this list. So let me do that for the sake of this tutorial. After that, guys, what you want to do is navigate to this gear icon in the top right in here, Microsoft Lists Overview, and choose Recycle Bin. From there, what you want to do, guys, is click into Empty Recycle Bin in the top left. You will see these lists here, so you can remove them also one by one. But let's say your account here or your storage is full of these deleted lists. To remove them all at once, select Empty Recycle Bin, confirm by clicking into Yes here. And now your trash folder or recycle bin has been cleared. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.